In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a event post or a special post to your profile in Facebook. First, click Edit Profile, then scroll down, then click Edit your About Info. Then here you want to scroll down, and then you will see live events. So add live event, create. Now let's just choose something random like travel, for example. Now you want to put your title, let's say went to Italy. You want to add location if you'd like, and the date that when this event happened. So I'll leave that blank. I'll just say something like awesome, and then you could also tag friends if you want. And before you click next, you want to make sure you add some videos or photos. So I'll just choose any random photo here, and then click next, and then I'll click next. So here you can see you could choose whether you want to share it with friends or public or anyone. So you can click share here. Then when you go back, you will see it, and this is how you basically add a live event. There you go. So if you go all the way back and then scroll down, this is the event or special post you added. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.